Hey.
So today is our first day, in daylight on the Danube, and yeah, it's 2,410 kilometers to the Black Sea. Long way to go, but we've got some time. It's wonderful weather. Unfortunately, no wind, but the current is quite strong. This is our probably tiny bit slower than our rowing speed, and we're not doing anything. We still have to row a little bit though to be able to use the tiller. But that's great. Yeah, I think we're gonna take it easy today and get to the next harbor, and yeah, we're on the Danube.
Racing into another Schleuse on the Donau. Thinking about staying in Passau for a night. And then getting going. Passau. We have the boat in this little mooring next to the city, and this up these stairs. Here we go.
About to go to Austria. Right there. Community Mountains.
So, last night we slept on the boat in the city of Passau. Trez is cleaning the boat because when we sleep on it, we just put all our stuff in the middle and sort of just get on it. So we have to yeah, fix everything in the morning. Really cool shot in real life.
Well, how long ago did you start messing with the machines?
Well, I've been into machines since I was little. Any sort of toys or anything that's some sort of mechanics or electronics or into it, basically.
Our first sail on the Danube.
Sailing upwind, pretty fast actually. Pretty happy with the speed. Speed's rowing, that's for sure. The Danube water has changed the colour. I actually quite like it, to be honest. It feels more adventurous. And sailing with this boat has been a dream. I mean, looking back from when we were at Brockwood and the rig wasn't even on, but the boat was looking beautiful and people would come in to see the boat in the woodshed, and Dad was working away and doing that, just dreaming of sailing it. Like rowing, yeah, sure, would be great, but sailing was something that I think me and Teresa just couldn't wait to do, and to finally be able to actually do a full day of sailing with this Martinicus double ender was awesome. I hope there's more ahead, but we'll see. From the boat being in Brockwood's woodwork barn to being on the water in the Danube, it's pretty amazing, and we're grateful to everyone who helped get us here to sail.
Right now we're 85 kilometers from Vienna in the Wachau Valley. The current is pretty good, and we've sailed and we've rowed, and yeah, it's been pretty magnificent to see all the vineyards and all the little mountains and trees. It's
right now,
pretty amazing.
We're in the middle of the Danube, sailing our way towards the Black Sea. Woo! Sustainable travel through Europe,
all the way to the Black Sea.
So we'd like to say thank you to Circular Computing, who have provided us with 2 sustainable laptops These laptops we use for editing and they work super well, and they carbon offset too for each laptop you purchase. I think they plant, it says right there, what are they?
5 trees planted.
5 trees planted for the laptop. So the product is completely carbon neutral, and as this is a sustainable journey, we thought we better have carbon neutral software. So yeah.
Yeah, thank you guys, Circular Computing, for providing us with your sponsorship and your help. We appreciate it.
Go check out their website and purchase a laptop. Link in the description.